In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable guest access in Microsoft Teams. This feature is particularly useful when you want to collaborate with people outside your organization, such as partners, vendors, or consultants, without compromising your security and privacy settings. Make sure you follow these steps carefully, and you'll have guest access up and running in no time. First, we need to log into the Microsoft Teams Admin Center. Open your preferred web browser and enter the URL https://admin.teams.microsoft.com. Once there, you'll be prompted to enter your credentials. Using your admin account, sign in to gain access to the admin portal. Keep in mind that only users with admin rights can enable guest access in Teams, so make sure you have the necessary permissions. Once you're logged in, take a look at the left-hand navigation pane. Here you'll find various options related to your Teams environment. We're interested in enabling guest access, so click on Users and then the Guest Access link. This section is specifically dedicated to managing how guests can interact with your Teams environment. Now that you're in the guest access settings, you'll see an option labeled Allow Guest Access in Teams. Go ahead and switch this setting on. This is the key step that turns on guest user access globally across your Microsoft Teams setup. Once enabled, you might also want to adjust the additional settings that control what a guest can or can't do. For example, you can choose to allow guests to use chat, make private calls, or share files. Each setting can be adjusted according to your organization's needs and security protocols, so take a moment to configure these options carefully. After making these adjustments, you'll want to verify that guest access is enabled and functioning as expected. Open Microsoft Teams and navigate to any team where you wish to add a guest. Click on Add Member, and then enter an email address that is outside your domain. If everything has been set up correctly, you should see an option to add the email as a guest. This confirmation means your settings are correctly configured, and your external collaborator can join the team with guest privileges. Enabling guest access in Microsoft Teams is a straightforward process, but it requires attention to detail to ensure that your organization's security is not compromised. Take the time to review each setting and understand the implications, and remember, you can always adjust these settings as your collaboration needs and security requirements evolve. With these steps, you're well on your way to enhancing collaboration through guest access in Teams. Thank you for joining me, and good luck with your setup.